So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is the officially website. Then this is search button. So click and then enter your model number of required driver B860MK and then hit enter. Click on product. Find out this B860M. Then click this is your motherboard and click on support. So select your operating system Windows 10 11. So no worry about it if you are working like Windows 10. So installations process same. So you can install it same to same. Okay. So chipset. So C processing Intel driver and just click for download. Please start downloading. Wait for a second. I downloaded this 96 chipset driver. Open this. Then just double click to launch for installation. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to install. And then it is closed automatically. This is installed.